Professional Podiatrist toenail clippers. This heavy-duty olecranon bionic thick toenail clipper is specially designed for safe trimming of toenails and fingernails. The 25 curved blade is not only operable and strong, but it also provides clean trimming of thick, tough nails and ingrown toenails. Comes with a plastic tip cover for safer use, easy storage. Angled toenail clipper is especially suitable for thick toenails, endogenous toenails, paronychia, and fungal nails. Upgraded high-quality material. Each toenail clipper kit tool is made of high-quality corrosion-resistant stainless steel for rust and durability, sharp, sturdy, portable, flexible, and washable. Rustless rubber handle makes this large toenail clipper for thick nails easier and safer to use in daily life. Ingrown toenail corrector strips. Our ingrown toenail clippers kit comes with 20 pieces ingrown toenail corrector strips to fix your ingrown toenail problem and release the pain of ingrown toenail. All you need to do is to clean the dirt from the toenail with an ingrown toenail file and gently insert the corrector strip into the toenail groove, then you can trim the length with our heavy-duty toenail clippers. 7-in-1 professional ingrown toenail kit. 1x heavy-duty podiatrist toenail clippers, 1x nail clippers, 1x angled toenail lifter, 1x cuticle pusher, 1x ingrown toenail polish file, 1x ingrown toenail lifter, 1x ingrown toenail corrector strips kit with 20 pieces strips, 1x black zipper storage bag. Meet your different needs of toenail trimmers. The best choice for gifts. All professional toenail clippers kit accessories are packed in a beautiful zipper storage bag. Very suitable for carrying and storing. Brilliant salon quality is the best choice for gifts for seniors, family, and friends on various holidays. If you are not satisfied with our ingrown toenail clippers kit, please contact us. We promise a lifetime warranty without worries. Top reviews from the United States. Nice kit for a good price. Correction liners, things you slide on your ingrown toenails, slid on very easily, and I think they'll actually work. We shall see. They seem to stay in place pretty well. Case did not have anything written or embossed on it, it was solid black.